how to make no one can see your birthyear on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your birthyear on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click profile information, and here you will find your birthday. Click this pin here and then you will find your birthday. Now all you need to do is just click this icon here and click more options and click only me and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.